Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change board cover in Pinterest. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen first, and over here at the top where it says boards, click on boards. Once you're in the boards section, all the boards which you have created in Pinterest is going to be shown. So I've only created one board called Sui, so I will click on it. Now let's say I want to change the cover. I need to click on the three dot at the top right of the screen and click on edit board. Once I'm inside edit board, you can see the option called board cover. And right below board cover, you can see my current board cover. And inside that current board cover, you will see a pencil icon. Click on that pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon, it is going to give you the option to choose a board cover. Now you can only choose the picture which is inside the board. So I'm going to choose this picture as my board cover. And I can even resize to choose which section I want. After I choose the section, I can click on done at the top right. And it is going to show you saving. And after some time, the board cover will be changed. Once the board cover is changed, you can click on done at the top right and it is going to be changed. So that is how you guys can change board cover in Pinterest. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.